Hello, green thumbs out there. I'm thrilled to walk you through a comprehensive guide on the art of garden design. This step-by-step journey will not only cover the fundamentals, but also delve into advanced techniques for creating a breathtaking outdoor space. To kick off this adventure, we'll start with mapping your garden. This involves plotting all the potential planting spots, factoring in the size and shape of your garden. Next up is sketching your design. You don't have to be Picasso to do this. Just draw a simple plan on paper. It's a great way to visualize your garden before you start planting. Moving on, let's talk about choosing the right plants for your space. This is crucial, and it's essential to consider factors like sun exposure, soil type, and water requirements when making these decisions. Pro tip: create a plant wish list before visiting your local nursery to make shopping easy and efficient. Laying out your plants is an art form in itself. This involves arranging them in groups based on their height, color, or texture for a maximum visual appeal. Don't forget to leave some breathing room between plants. They need space to grow too. Now let's talk about hardscaping, the non-plant elements of your garden like paths, patios, and water features. These add depth and texture to your garden design and can be incorporated into the overall plan easily. Remember to consider safety factors like slip-proof surfaces around pools or water features for added peace of mind. Lastly, let's dive into maintenance. It doesn't end when you plant your last seedling. Regular pruning, watering, and fertilizing will keep your garden looking its best all year round. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey towards cultivating a beautiful garden. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who are also looking to green their thumbs. Stay tuned for more gardening tips at our channel.